Hello friends and followers. So this is a Drake T4XB transmitter, and it wasn't doing so well transmitting on 15 meters and on 10 meters. I was getting about 60 watts or so out on 10 and on 15 meters. So I decided, hey, why not convert this thing to 6146 type tubes, and that's what I've been trying to do here. I'm just about done with that. Unfortunately, this takes so much time. I think I have about 6 hours of work into this thing from like 12 noon until now, and I've just gotten the underside of it pretty much done with the new sockets and wiring. So now I can try and put the tubes in there and see if it works. So going through the wiring again, this is 600 volts here. This is for the cathode return here. Screen current here. This one is the bias, and that's your filament for your tubes. That's 12 volts. So these tubes are 12 volts heaters, and so they're in parallel. They're just both one end's grounded, and this white wire jumps the heaters together. So that's about it. There was like a metal strip going through here. I just couldn't be bothered with that, routing it through, so I yanked it out. I usually am able to get that metal strip in there again, but this time I'm like, oh my god, I just don't want to mess with that. So I put a piece of wire in there. We'll see if that works. I took a few shortcuts this time, and the guy that wrote the recipe for this thing usually has like 3 10-ohm resistors in parallel for each tube. So that's probably about what, 10, half a 10's 5, probably 3 ohms or something. So I think I have 4.5 ohm resistors here. I think I have 2.5 ohms here actually for cathode return, so we'll see how that works out. I used the same 68 ohm screen resistors, didn't change those around at all. So yeah, we'll see if it works. It's been a lot of time. The only problem with boat anchor restoration is it just takes so much time. And there's only so many days left on Earth, right? So I'm not sure if this is a smart way to spend it. Anyway, let me turn this thing over and check out the top of it here. So here's the new sockets right there. I think that cap there should come off. I'll take that cap off. Put the tubes in. You want to make sure this is moved over so it doesn't smack the tube there. Let's see if it'll smack it or not. I haven't even tried these in here yet. I've just been trying to get it done. Looks like it's gonna be close, so I better move that. Anyway, I'm about to put the tubes in here. I don't even have clips for them. I just cut these off and solder them on. See if it works. So that's where I'm at. The next video, I think this thing will get fired up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see if it works. Does it work or does it smoke? We'll see.